want to thank my camera girl Jazzy for helping me record this video. I don't know if I'll be able to get some good shots without her, so thank you so much. But yeah, that's the final look right here. Make sure that if you are installing your shade, to be careful with those bungees being snapped. If they do release, it could hit you and injure you. But as you can see, this is what happened to me, so be careful. So this is a product that I got. As I said in a previous video, I got a GoPro, so when I do recordings, you know, I can put it on the dashboard. That's why I got this accessory box here. Main thing that I wanted was that suction cup, which you can clearly see right there. It's on the windshield. So one of the things that I got excited about was this handle right here. Comes with the tripod. Yeah, headband in case I want to do stuff with hands-free and then just work on whatever I need to work on. There's a clamp here. Not really sure how I'm going to use that clamp. I mean, not even use it at all. But yeah, I got this box right here for 30 bucks in Best Buy. Not sponsored or anything. Just like I said, these are good products that I decided to get for myself. But yeah. Alright, so another thing that I did install a while back, this is from Smitty Build. So basically it's like I wanted something to have my passengers climb into the Jeep without having too much of a struggle. There's other parts that you could probably get for your Jeep, but I got just the ones with the handle, and there you go. That's the look right there. Now all Jeeps owners usually do that, so these are very common. These are pretty strong, strapped in by Velcro, easy to install. So again, I got this from them. Not sponsored by them, just a good product that I think it's good for my Jeep. All right, we'll end it there. Also with this headset right here, in case I decide to go jogging or something. Who knows? I need to get rid of this anyway. But
dab on them haters.
Dabby.
I dab on haters. We are not sponsored.
Hello there, and thank you for watching this video from Jeeps and Talks. Click on this link next to me to see another video from Jeeps and Talks. And also, but have a nice day, and subscribe to Jeeps and Talks, and also leave a like if you want to. Bye.